Hi everyone, it's the Kenny Crafter and I am here with the final flip through of the Christmas junk journal I have made for my sister's mother-in-law with the cards she donated to me from last Christmas. She very generously donates her cards for me to craft with, and I just thought really nice to give something back to her. But she's a lovely lady. She likes crafty things, and I don't think anyone's ever made her a journal before. So we have the front. I love the rounded corners on these. Normally I do square corners, and I recently had to add the metal big corner protectors, which was a bit of a hassle. So rounding the corners just way easier. So this is scrapbook paper, and all these little bits are from Christmas cards. And I've I don't know if you can tell, it's like popped up with some foam tape. And then some blingy bling added, because you can't have Christmas without blingy bling. The spine has this gorgeous, gorgeous lace over it. It's my favourite lace. I'm nearly out of it. Then we have this detachable spine dangle, which is just some ribbons and some Christmas charms. And that can just come off at the top. Inside, this is Gina's idea from Perfectly Imperfect Journals. Let's just see, am I in frame? Yep. This is like a little waterfall-y type. Little flip. Just, there were so many gorgeous cards. And then this is from a Christmas card. A little bauble. That little ribbon came from a Christmas card as well. I'm going to say Christmas card so many times, you're going to be sick of it. It's going to lose all meaning to us. That's just a page decoration. It's a cute pocket with an even cuter journal card in it. And I just die cut that bow from another, you guessed it, Christmas card. And this was actually an intact Christmas card, so I just incorporated that into the signature. There's a few of them in there. This was added from a different card. If I'd thought I could have put it on as a tuck, but I didn't. I stuck it all down. So this was the inside of the card, which I don't like blank pages. I think they can be very daunting. And so, you know, when you get like a fly leaf in a card, what I call posh cards, if they've got extra paper in them. And I just used that. Gorgeous little card. And I added the stars. And again, it's like one of those fly leaf pages. I've been hoarding these. I think my sister actually gave us these. Just a little bit of decoration. That's probably like a bit of card you would normally throw away, I think. Everything has a purpose. I love these Santas making snow angels. I'll be in frame on that side, only just. There we are. Sorry about that. Another card, which I added just some washi tape to the bottom of that. I just kiss cut that. There's another one of those whole, and these are vintage Christmas cards, which is just extra special, I think. Again, that little fabric bows from a card. Just cut that out. Again, that was one of those fly leaf pages. And I just cut the decorative piece off. Got a little holly here. This, I love that has been got around with the green. It just makes it stand out from the white page. And then this journal card. And just kept that little special friends up there. And that just sits quite nicely there. It's just cut out with a 1-inch hole punch. I did add jemmies there. You can't have holly leaves without jemmies. We have our Santa stamp, which is actually read through the other side, which I like. A book page from a children's Christmas book. This, which always reminds us of the Grinch. Oh, I added this. I found it in the scraps when I was putting stuff away, and I just thought that was too cute, and I just clipped it on to the page, and apparently onto the other page. This, which again I've just added, it was a bit wonky, so I added that and it straightened it out. Half a snowflake colouring book page, and we'll have these. That's a whole card, yep. Beautiful one here. Then decided to do an oval die just to mix things up a bit. And then I thought I just needed some colour. I needed to bring this to this. So again, that's just one of those flyleaf pages, the decorative edges on it. There's the rest of the snowflake. I love that idea. Flyleaf. Just try to use as much as I could. And then this, I just thought this was a beautiful sentiment. And I've just stuck that on with washi tape. I didn't glue it on because sometimes the glue like wrinkles this vellum. Rest of the book page. Then we have this little pocket. This journal card in. Another parcel. This card is so fun. And then just, oh, I forgot I added a little holly leaf to that. It's a little Christmas sentiment. And again, that was a flyleaf page, and I just bolted it up on, I think it was on book page. No, it wasn't. It was on a piece of red paper. And I just added these stamps to the card. Oh, look, a page with knot on it. Should I add some? I don't even have any washi tape. I put everything away. But it's staying with knot on it. Another little fussy cut. I love these glittery stars, they're so tactile. Again, some more stamping. Some jimmies here. I feel like that one shifted. Beautiful card, which was actually already beautifully embellished. It didn't need a thing. Another one of those little baubles. I think that's actually the invert of that. Holly leaf. Another one of those 1-inch punches. This I wasn't going to put anything in, but again it was too white even with this little tuck spot, so I had one left. One little fly sheet left. So just tuck that in there like that. I love this card. And then this little card here. That's the reverse, you know, the inside of a card. It was too blank and bare, and I wanted to bring in some colours from over here. This was a card I made and gave them, and they sent it back. So I thought I'm just going to add it, and I've added it as a flip out. And there was like a brand name on the back of the card. I just stuck some red paper on. A bit wonky, but you know, fussy cut. This is a little tuck spot. A little stamp that just fitted perfectly. Another one of those fly sheets. It's just gorgeous. I love this dove. Love this snowman. And again, just some stamping added to the card. I had that in my scraps as well. I'll just put that in that little tuck spot. Does fit. Another one of the gorgeous vintage Christmas cards. I just added some snowflakes. This page I couldn't touch, it needed not. gorgeous card. Another gorgeous card. And then this is also a little tuck. Some more of that fly paper. Angel is gorgeous, and that I almost forgot about, but we found, and it's just perfect. Good to go at Christmas. That was from that card. And these stockings, just they had to go there. They just was shouting at me. And then this is a little tuck as well, and this flips out. And some little stamps. Another vintage card. Love this. And this was like the card, and I just fussy cut around it. It fit perfectly. This is also a little tucky tuck. It was really sticky, so I had to back it onto something, and I thought, oh, we'll just make a feature of that. Plus I couldn't be bothered to do intricate cutting. Another little Christmas sentiment. There's another one of those gorgeous angels, and the little parcel. So yeah, another oval die. It just goes in there perfectly, and I love the oval because this is like circle, and it's just like continuing it on. Card just went brilliantly with the pink paper. Another little parcel that's under a tree. Some more fly paper offcuts. This is one of the first tags I made, if I remember. It didn't go well on the back, and I had to redo it. Colouring book. Santa. I think that's gorgeous. It's like August now when I watch Christmas films. Another die cut. There must have been some glue residue. I love these dies. Sending hedgehogs this Christmas time. I have a little hedgehog there, so that makes sense, because I didn't realise that first time round. Belly band spot, and I die cut those out in the negative, and I think that's really cute. Oh, and I added the holly leaf there. Oh no. I must have been in a hurry. This envelope, which has a tuck spot here. And it's just clipped on. Comes out there. And then inside it's got a brand new, well, it's a vintage card, but it's unwritten in. And then it just clicks back on. Oh yeah, that was tucked on the other side of it, just there like so. Just a little scrap. Another fly sheet. This gorgeous card. This, and then this flips out. We have all of this here, and that's just tucked in there like so. Love this with this book page. Tiny little tree tuck spot for a tiny little card, but I just think it all works well together. Those were some of those stars cut out. Fly sheet, little waterfall-y notebook, and that just flips in there. Again, this page, couldn't touch it. The stamp. Love this card. And then another little oval cut, and I added a ribbon from one of the cards, just because I didn't think you could really see he was in there. This, yep, it's a tuck spot. This was from a card, and it's just a little flip up. I did just put some washi tape there. This belly band with this gorgeous card in, which I did add some jemmies to, couldn't help myself with that one. My little Canny Crafter insignia. these pockets, oh my goodness, look at them. And then I just added this little card with the pom-pom because it had to go in there somewhere. And then this card I thought was a little bit boring, so I just added some things to it, and that just fits in there like, it just fit like so. And then the back, I love it, it's chunky. I don't know if it needs a closure. I'm not going to add one as yet. Let's just click this back on. Because I think we want to let it go. It's just gorgeous. I love it. I had so much fun making it, and it was quite a challenge using just the cards, I will say. But having the dies really helped. I mean, who would have thought that was like a, I think it was like a River Thames scene. I'm just using like little offcuts from them. It was fun. It's a fun thing to do. Now, I hope she appreciates it. I hope she loves it. I hope she uses it and doesn't just stick it on a shelf. I want to see like some family photos in there and stuff from over Christmas. So yeah, she might get this early. Probably she gets her Christmas stuff late. I might give it to her like the start of December and see if fill this up over Christmas season. So yeah, I just keep stroking that dangle as well. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this series. I had fun. It was a Christmas in July / August extravaganza. But yeah, I just loved it. Loved every second of it. Let's see. I'm trying to find my favourite page. You know, I do love that on there. So I'll leave it open there. That's going to be the thumbnail. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.